Alright, I got some mail. Good guy down there in Florida. He finally got a hold of my address. So, he sent me something. There we go. Arnox Forge. Thanks for all you do for us. Must be talking about the other YouTube guys there. I like old Topper. He's a good guy. I've actually talked to him on the phone multiple times. A couple of cards there. Nice little magnet. Here is the sticker. So, stickers. Always have room for them. Magnets. Gotta find something metallic. So, that'll go straight on the toolbox. I'll leave a link for his channel in the corner, also in the description. If you don't know Topwolf Automotive, go over and check him out. He's got some good stuff over there. Alright fellas, real fast, got these at Harbor Freight. Yes, I do go there. This was on the clearance rack. It's marked down to like 10 bucks, $9.90 whatever. It's a bearing bushing installer remover kit. It comes with 3-year-old slap happy handles and all kinds of these little different dies. Now the thing about this is you have to go to the store and find them. They're on the clearance racks. I checked Harbor Freight online. They don't even mention one of these sets anymore. These bushing bearing puller installer kits. They don't even make these anymore. They came in with some Maddox stuff, and Maddox does not make this kit, so you have to go to Harbor Freight to find these. I will find something doable on Amazon. Link will be in the description, and you can, find a comparable kit. It's not going to be 10 bucks. For the 10 bucks, you're going to have to take your ass to Harbor Freight and find one of these. I don't know if you could call in ahead of time to try to figure out if they have them anymore at your store, but the item number there, 62991. Call up your local Harbor Freight, say, hey, do you have any? If they do, run out and grab them, because that's cheap, really cheap. These are meant to be pounded on. You drive a bearing in, you drive a bushing in, you drive a bearing out, you drive a bushing out. Throw it on like that. Grab your little tappy tap, throw it in there, tap it out. Take this guy right here, flip her around, then you tap her back in. It's as easy as that. Lots of times before I had a kit like this, which now I have it, so now I can use the right tool for the job. I used to use sockets to get bearings and bushings and shit out. So you take your old 15mm snap-on, throw her up there, tap that bearing or bushing out, and then flip it back over and tap it back in, tap the new one back in. Not recommended to do it with any sockets, not just snap-on, any sockets. If you have a cheap set, you can use that instead of getting one of these, but this is the right tool for the job. It does help. It's just kind of one of those things that you deal with a little dinky stuff, you're going to need something like this. I deal with everything from dinky to donkey, so yeah, went ahead and got this. I'm going to get another one of these, the bigger one. Probably, I know Lyle makes a big set. I know there are a couple other guys that make big sets. You might even go back to Harbor Freight and buy their bigger set. You're going to be pounded on the thing anyway, and you might luck out and get a warranty with Harbor Freight, whereas you go get a set somewhere else and it may not have a lifetime warranty because these are meant to be pounded on. They might be consumable, if you will. So yeah, just a quick little video. I saw these, thought had to have them for 10 bucks. I think regularly they were like $30, $40. I couldn't really pass it up. Another one of those Harbor Freight can't pass it up deals. Oh, and I also got a magnet. Love these things. So yeah, free 90 free. hfqpdb.com. I'll put the link down there in the description of that too also. All the Harbor Freights across the country. You go on that website, pull it up on your phone, pick the coupon out you want, show it to them on your phone. There you go, free. Or, you know, save 20%, 25% on your lucky holidays. Yeah, as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit.